Dear brothers and all men that are watching this video, my name is Francesco and I would like to invite you to take part with me in a solstice Shiva dance ritual. On the 21st of June, which is the solstice, this year will be coupled with a full solar eclipse, in which the moon will obscure completely the sun, creating a ring of fire around it. In these changing and incredible times, you're receiving this invitation to take part into a collective dreaming dancing ritual, to embody together as men through the sacred vessel of our physical and 3D body, a dance as a prayer to restore the balance of the masculine and feminine within ourselves, to then ripple out into the world, so that we can manifest the dreams and the new ways, a new world beyond all paradigms of patriarchy, of rationality, of science as the god, and embrace a new time where all men seek to balance the feminine within themselves. The 21st of June will be a very strong portal in which the astral bodies of the sun and the moon will reach a balance in act, the sun fully embracing the moon, the sun, the masculine, fully embracing the moon, the feminine within. Also, in the Hindu tradition, that Shiva is the dancing god, which through its dance creates and destroys the universe constantly in a cycle of death and rebirth. And his dance, Shiva's dance, is represented within a ring of fire, which is exactly what this eclipse will represent. Hence, this is a super strong portal, a super strong opportunity to gather as men, as individual bodies across the world, to send a clear signal to the universe that we are willing to do the work. We are willing to truly embrace the feminine side of ourselves and not expect women to embrace our feminine side and to do the work, the more intuitive and emotional work for ourselves. This is no small feat, because we inherited as men years and ages of patriarchy, of all corrupted systems, of war, of trauma of our ancestors. Yet, once we dance together and with a strong intent, we can call in and ask to the universe for support in doing so. And in the process of rebalancing our own internal energies, we then support the whole world to rebalance itself. It starts within. So, on the 21st of June, ideally within the 5 hours time windows from the start to the end of the solar eclipse, all men taking part will dance a dance for balance in their individual location, wherever they are. And we will start by opening a sacred space individually, but following the same procedure. We will light a candle or a flame if we can, and we will dance. We will use our body as an antenna, as a vessel of consciousness, to just let the energy flow through. It is an intentional act of moving your body and offering whatever dance you feel in the moment to the universe. This will be a dance which is your unique dance. It could simply be moving some part of your body. It could be a full-on hardcore dance as far as you warm up and you stay safe. You are the owner and fully empowered sovereign being that can decide what to do with this. Yet, intentionally gathering and knowing that men across the world will be doing this together, it's a powerful and auspicious sign, increasing our reach into the conscious field, giving a clear sign that we can be the change. There are only 3 rules. Do not film yourselves. Anytime you start using a filming device, your mind will start wander and take you away from the presence because of self-judgment and distraction. Second rule is that your intention can be as broad as you want, but needs to fit within the overarching shared aim that our dance will be an offer, a prayer, through and for the collective, for rebalancing the masculine and feminine energy within ourselves and for the collective. And finally, please do not share this video or information on any social media. As social medias, Facebook, Instagram, they're filled with opinion, with judgment, with people which might not yet understand why a ritual like this could be considered important by many of us. So to clear the space and to keep the space clear of parasitic, judgmental and opinionated contamination, I will ask you not to share it, except by personal reference. Looking forward to dance with you, to dance the dance of Shiva, and to welcome the magic that will come by connecting together. 21st of June. I'll see you there.